See, we have derived the expression for ID1 minus ID2. And we followed the steps from our quantitative analysis of V out 1 is equal to VDD minus RD1 ID1. So similarly thus, then we obtained V out 1 minus V out 2. Later, I told you this is a P point voltage. Then we equated this voltage with this voltage. V in 1 minus VGS1 is equal to V in 2 minus VGS2. Then V in 1 minus V in 2. Then we have written the expression for VGS, and this we have substituted here. V in 1 minus V in 2 is obtained like this. And then we have arrived by mathematical simplification. We have arrived at the expression of ID1 minus ID2 is equal to this entire expression. Now what we do is denoting ID1 minus ID2 is equal to delta ID, and V in 1 minus V in 2 is equal to delta Vn. Now from this expression, let us call this as expression number 6. We get ID1 minus ID2 is delta ID is equal to half mu n Cox W by L. And what about V in 1 minus V in 2? It is delta V in into bracket this entire expression 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L minus V in 1 minus V in 2 is again delta V in minus delta V in square. This equal to half mu n Cox W by L square root of this delta V in. I'll take inside. I get it as 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L into delta V in square minus delta V into the power of 4. Now differentiate dou delta ID by dou delta Vn. This is equal to, we are differentiating this with respect to Vn. This entire expression with respect to Vn, we get it as half mu n Cox W by L into half 4 ISS mu n Cox W by L into delta V in square minus delta V into the power of 4 to the power of minus half into 8 ISS delta V in. It is just a differentiation, simple differentiation, minus 4 times delta V in cube. This equal to half mu n Cox W by L into half 8 ISS delta V in. This I am taking to the denominator divided by mu n Cox W by L minus 4 times delta V in cube divided by this, since it is to the power of minus half, take in the denominator, and square root of that will give you 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L delta V in square minus delta V into the power of 4. This equal to half mu n Cox W by L into half, take 2 times delta V in outside into bracket 4 ISS 2 times delta V in outside 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L minus 2 times delta V in square. Take 2 times delta V in outside, that's all. Divided by, here also we can take delta V in outside. Therefore, delta V in square root of 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L minus delta V in square. This delta V in and this delta V in will cancel out. Now what we are left with, that equation has to be simplified. Therefore, dou delta ID by dou delta V in is equal to half mu n Cox W by L into, see whatever is left over here, the same thing I am writing, half mu n Cox W by L into bracket 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L minus 2 times delta V in square divided by square root of 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L minus delta V in square as it is. For delta V in is equal to 0, what we get, GM as capital GM can be written as ID, dou delta ID by delta V in is nothing but it is GM. So GM can be written as now half mu n Cox W by L, because delta V in we are taking it as 0, 4 ISS divided by mu n Cox W by L. This is equal to, the same thing can be simplified as half square root of 4 ISS mu n Cox W by L. Or rearranging, GM can be written as mu n Cox W by L into ISS. This two if you take outside, this will cancel out and we get GM as mu n Cox W by L into ISS. Moreover, since V out 1 minus V out 2 is equal to RD into delta I. Voltage is equal to resistance into the current. This is equal to RD to GM into delta Vn. We can write the small signal differential voltage gain of the circuit in the equilibrium condition as AV is equal to square root of mu n Cox W by L into ISS into RD. See, V out 1 minus V out 2 is equal to RD into delta I. And the same thing can be RD GM into delta Vn. What we want the voltage gain. So take this delta Vn this side. We are left with only RD into GM. This is GM, mu n Cox, as we have derived mu n Cox W by L into ISS. This multiplied by RD will give you the voltage gain of the small signal differential voltage gain. That's all.